Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Kali Linux official website and download. Kali.org is the official website. Then click on Get Kali or Download, both are same. See here we have two options, installer images and virtual machines. If you want to install on your own, you have to click on this installer images. So click on installer images. Then see here the latest release is 2025.2, but if you want older versions, you have to click on this Kali Linux releases. Okay, see here we have two options to download, direct and torrent. Okay, I'm going to download by direct. Click on it. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 4.2 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Kali Linux 2025.2 installer ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine, both are same. Then click on next. Now select the installer disk image file and click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. See here we have the Kali Linux 2025.2 ISO image. Select it. Click on next. Now we have to select guest operating system as Linux, then version as Debian, because its Kali Linux ID is like Debian. So select Debian latest version from this list. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Kali 2025 VM. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store these files. Click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to customize any one of these options, you have to click on customize hardware. I want to increase this memory to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Then use this pointer up, or you can provide the memory in megabytes here. Then click on close. Click on finish. Okay, still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings. Select it, or VM, go to settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of Kali Linux 2025.2 on VMware Workstation. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and continue. Select your location from this list. If you are unable to find, click on other. Okay, select keyboard model. I am going with American English. Click on continue. Now we have to provide the host name or computer name. This is the default one. If you are okay with this one, it's okay. Otherwise, provide the name. Later also you can change this host name. Click on continue. If you have an existing domain name, you can provide here. Otherwise, keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools, and this is the username. If you want to change it. Click on continue. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, time zones all related to US, because we have selected location as United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. Okay, then select the time zones from this list. Then click on continue. Now partition disk, I am going with guided use entire disk and continue. Select that device and continue. all in one partition, then continue. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select this one. If you are okay with these settings, then click on, then select this finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. This is confirmation, write changes to disks and continue. Now we have to select the softwares. By default, it has selected XFC is the default desktop environment. If you want like Genome or Getty Plasma, you can select, and other tools like collection of tools, top 10 and default. I'm not going to change anything. I'm okay with this default, so keep all as it is and click on continue. See, now installation has been started. This will take time. Okay. Install the grub bootloader to your primary drive, select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay. So right click on this virtual machine name, settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect in devices section and select this connected and connected at power on, then click on OK, then click on continue to restart or reboot. Now provide the username and password, hit enter. Now click on this full screen mode. See, you got the full screen. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. Go to File, Preferences, then click on this font, change, increase the font, click on OK, click on Apply, click on OK. Now verify the IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, Control A. Now verify the version that we have installed, mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2025.2. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 135 packages and installing one package. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.